I'm often asked a rather loaded, tough question. Does the SHRM certification even matter? I'm Christina Danforth from HR Jetpack, a top SHRM education partner. You may be surprised to learn my automatic answer isn't yes, of course the SHRM certification matters. In fact, the answer to this question is truly personal. Here's what you need to consider: the cost and the commitment. First, the cost. For most people, you'll spend at least a few $100s to take the SHRM certification exam because you must pay an exam application fee. And if you decide to purchase the SHRM learning system and/or take a certification prep course, you're looking at an even greater investment of up to another $2,000 or so. Secondly, you should consider the commitment of both your time and energy. Preparing for a SHRM certification exam is intense. I recommend studying for 80+ hours over the span of 12 to 18 weeks before your exam date. This means blocking off hours of time on your weekly schedule to study. You must dedicate yourself to this process, and all those who rely on you for support, whether personally or professionally, will have to understand your commitment to this journey. I often use the word journey when referring to the process, since there's so much involved with earning a SHRM certification. All that being said, there's over 115,000 HR professionals who think it's worth it. Who wouldn't want a certification from the Society of Human Resources Management? SHRM is the foremost expert on issues impacting today's evolving workplaces. Having a certification from such an outstanding organization meant to elevate the human resources profession speaks volumes about your personal commitment to being a highly credible, proficient HR pro. You might be wondering, will getting a SHRM certification get me a job? No one can guarantee whether or not any certification will land you a job. However, more than 5,000 employers each month are seeking those with a SHRM certification. In fact, having the SHRM-CP or SHRM-SCP can assist with career advancement. It looks great on your personal and professional profile. And studies have indicated that HR professionals with the certification make more money. No one can make the decision for you on whether it's worth the time, energy, and money. Like with most education, working to obtain a degree or certification will not hurt you. It should help propel you towards a successful, fulfilling career. More and more people every year are getting their SHRM certification. For most HR professionals, there's a clear answer. The SHRM certification absolutely matters, and it's becoming more relevant every year.